data analytics is something which I have been trying to tackle for past, like I would say 4-5 years. Due to some reasons वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. Even this time I couldn't get into it because of the वो बेशक तुम्हें बता रहे होते हैं, you are not able to connect. You are like कि भाई हाँ ठीक है ना यार, but तुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या जा रही हूँ, ठीक है. But when you see actually people around you who is in your boat and they actually did succeed, ये पार्ट हो गया है. अब मेरे को गाड़ी खरीदनी, अब कहाँ से लूँ? मेरे नेक्स्ट प्लान्स एटलीस्ट वो दूर नहीं लग रहे हैं. पहले इसके पहले दूर लग रहे थे कि यार आई वुड से आई वाज लाइक अ माइजर. मैं दिन का एक ही खाती थी, एक ही बार खाती थी, बिकॉज मतलब यू नो, और उसको भी 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करके खाती थी बिकॉज आई एम अ फूडी. आई हैड टू सेव मनी.
तो झलक की बड़ी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी है, कल मैंने उसमें डाल ही दिया था पोस्ट में. She joined us last year, then she got a job, then she got laid off. Now she has 3 offers. A very inspiring journey of ups and downs and hills and valleys. तो झलक is into sales, as मैंने बता दिया. और let's start from the scratch. पहले झलक please tell everyone कि पहले कोचिंग ज्वाइन ही क्यों की थी in the first place, पिछले साल.
ऑनेस्टली मेरी जॉब उसके पहले लग चुकी थी, बट वो मालूम है पे चेक नहीं आया था. जो फर्स्ट पे चेक आता है ना राहत का, वो नहीं आया था. तो at that time I was talking to Ishank and my friend was like, if you're not liking the job, so why are you here? Like, and even if you have to pay the bills, you shouldn't be there, right? But then yeah, I was like, I joined the coaching and I went through a lot of I was attending a lot of meetings, which weekly meetings we had. It helped me a lot. I don't think so. This coaching is only for the career. This coaching is beyond that. So yeah, that was main objective for me to joining this coaching. Yeah.
Okay, and Jhalak also, there were moments where you went back and forth in sales and data analytics. तो थोड़ा वो भी बता दो क्या हो रहा था ना. You're back in sales.
बाप रे. तो पता नहीं बाकी सबके साथ होता है कि नहीं, but data analytics is something which I have been trying to tackle for past, like I would say 4-5 years. Due to some reasons वो हो ही नहीं रहा है. Even this time I couldn't get into it because of the PR reason. And when I got the job, even at that time it was like कि ये वाली job खत्म करके I'll be like I'll focus only on DA, nothing else. But then again, when of course I saw when I got laid off, I think that's a good thing that happened to me, because वो एक टाइम आता है जब आप रियलाइज करते हो कि जरूरत हाँ मुझे चाहिए, बट ये वक्त एक्चुअल में नहीं है उस चीज के लिए. तो हाँ मतलब उस वक्त मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि यार सेल्स में भी, टेक सेल्स में कम अच्छा सैलरी नहीं है, मतलब बहुत अच्छी सैलरी, एंड यू कैन गेट योर ड्रीम्स फुलफिल्ड. जो सारे ऑब्स्टिकल्स है वो एक्चुअल में बहुत इजीली यू नो पार हो रहे हैं, तो क्यों नहीं. And then I remember, Ishank, even you tried to explain me this beforehand. मतलब हाँ मैंने ठोकर खा के सीखा, but
It's okay. As long as you learned, it's okay. As long as you're happy, I'm happy. Jhalak, please help me understand. I'm curious about this. Why did you choose us over other people or other coaches?
I used to follow you. Actually, my friend used to follow you, and then he made me follow you. Okay, and then I used to just watch your videos, and I was watching these stories which you put. ठीक है, and then I was like कि यार बंदा ठीक है बहुत अपफ्रंट है, बट झूठ तो नहीं बोल रहा है, मतलब चलो ट्राई मारते हैं, ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या भैया, फूटी किस्मत और क्या, पैसा जाएगा और क्या. But then when I joined, I started attending, I went through the course on the school. It just started making sense. A lot of things, like the law that you have to observe and then note down what you have done wrong and then correct that. So a lot of things, the meetings and everything just started making sense to me a lot. And yeah, I would suggest that anyone to join it, because again my same sentences again, like this coaching is not for your only career, it's beyond that. It is
Good.
more about your personality, about your character. Like it helps you a lot to survive in this Canada, it's a lonely place, man.
It
It
is.
helps.
It is. What was your favorite part about the coaching?
I would say the weekly meetings, the 2 weekly meetings.
Okay.
I'm telling you, it just helped me out a lot. Probably मैं तो हर दिन रोती थी कि हाय रब्बा मैं क्यों आ गई. After this weekly meetings, I was like, okay, everyone is hustling, everyone is running hard and they're trying their best. तो मैं क्यों नहीं? And there's this one thing with friends, they do not wish to have bad for you, but you haven't witnessed their struggles. You have seen the end, the wins and the success, so you haven't seen their struggles. तो तुम वो बेशक तुम्हें बता रहे होते हैं, you are not able to connect. You're like कि भाई हाँ ठीक है ना यार, but तुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या जा रही हूँ, ठीक है. But when you see actually people around you who is in your boat and they actually did succeed, it just helps you.
Yes. Good. तो अब सब कुछ शॉर्ट हो गया, अब झलक अब कैसा लग रहा है? How do you feel now?
Relaxed, better. I can actually think about the future, like what I want next. अब next plan क्या है? अब जैसे मैंने आई थिंक आपको भी पूछा कि मेरा ये पार्ट हो गया है, अब मेरे को गाड़ी खरीदनी, अब कहाँ से लूँ? मेरे नेक्स्ट प्लान्स एटलीस्ट वो दूर नहीं लग रहे हैं. इसके पहले दूर लग रहे थे कि यार पहले इसको तो मैं पार कर लूँ, वो फिर मैं देखूंगी, और फिर ऐसा लगता था यार ये बेसिक चीज ही नहीं ले पा रही मैं.
Yeah. Okay.
There's a lot of
I'm
confidence, I
very
would say.
okay. I'm happy कि life has gotten back on track and तुम आगे का सोच रही हो. What was your parents' reaction when you told them कि हो गया अब?
My parents were actually relieved. Because of the previous job was really hectic, and फिर वो lay off हुआ, फिर मैं वो DA के section में आई, तब मैं बहुत मतलब I would say I was like a miser. मैं दिन का एक ही बार खाती थी, because मतलब और उसको भी 2 parts में divide करके खाती थी because I'm a foodie. I had to save money because I wanted to get into DA, but then उसके कारण uh, that led to a lot of frustration, not able to study properly. घर पे भी पता चल रहा था कि I live with my sister. At that time she was in India. ठीक है, तो वो उनको पता चल रहा था कि I'm going through a lot. My sister was planning to cut down her vacation in India and come soon, but so it was, my parents were quite disturbed कि यार हमने इतनी मेहनत सबने की है, and now at least they're happy कि चलो तुम्हें अच्छी जॉब मिली है. Now you're thinking of future, you're thinking, now I'm planning my parents का trip in India, like I'm sponsoring it, which is like, for me it was on my list and I'm just so happy to do it. Trust me, I'm really happy, even though अभी इंडिया में ही है, फॉरेन वाला बाद में मैं करवाऊंगी पक्का, बट मुझे उसी के लिए बड़ी खुशी हो रही है कि यार चलो इतने तो काबिल हम बन ही गए. तो हाँ, my parents are like really happy. They're like, अब एटलीस्ट वो वाला एक वो फोन आता है कि कोई बात नहीं बच्चे, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. अब मेरे को कॉल आता है कि हाँ फिर अभी आगे करना क्या है तुम्हें, अभी उनके भी होप्स आए हुए हैं. So it feels good.
Good. Vani, your questions?
No. I am really happy for you, Jhalak, and I know आपने कितनी resilience दिखाई है. There were so many downs in your journey, but I hope that was the last one, and अब से up ही होगा.
Yeah, I'm hoping to.
Yes, good. Jhalak, what would your advice be for a ninja going through the process? अभी उनकी job नहीं लगी, but they're going through the process.
I would say it's an investment in yourself. I bought the course 1 year back. I did not attend much of it. I messaged Ishank. I was like, since I did not used the course this much, like, तो मतलब can I come back and I use it? And he was really kind enough, and he was like, you're a ninja, you're a lifetime ninja. So that just helped me कि यार so I think it's a course which is like you're investing in yourself. It's not only for one time getting your job. It's about you getting your goals. It's more than a job. अभी जॉब मिल गई है, बट अभी मुझे प्रमोशन चाहिए क्योंकि मुझे सैलरी ज्यादा अच्छी चाहिए. I'm gonna be like behind Nishan ka bhi कि मैं कैसे अभी वो करूँ. So of course he's gonna be helping me out. So काम खत्म नहीं हुआ है. So I think you need a guide throughout your life. Even though you know you have your parents, you have your friends, you have your colleagues, you have connections on LinkedIn who will definitely help you out. But this coaching just helps you out to get like, I would say it's like a guide. I needed it, I got it, and I'm happy. I would say invest in it. इधर उधर से लेके इन्वेस्ट कर लो.